Let's talk about hot patching.
Yes.
The idea that you don't have to restart your computer to get security updates?
Right.
That sounds almost too good to be true.
It's one of the most exciting developments in Windows servicing, for sure.
Okay.
Hot patching allows those crucial security updates to be applied without requiring you to restart your system.
So how does that actually work?
It's actually pretty clever.
Okay.
You start with an initial baseline update that does require a reboot.
Okay.
Think of it as like setting the stage for hot patching.
Gotcha.
Once that's done.
Yeah.
Subsequent security updates can be applied directly to your system's memory
Okay.
while it's still running.
Okay.
No reboot needed.
So you need one reboot, and then after that,
That's right.
you're good to go.
Exactly. And you know it's even better.
What's that?
Enabling hot patching is surprisingly easy.
Really?
You can do it right through Intune
Okay.
in the Windows Update settings.
Uh-huh.
It's a simple checkbox, and boom, you've significantly reduced user pain in your environment.